it. This is a cute pet. I should name it Lillian. Yeah, good name. Hey, Lillian. Oh, wow. Mostly, lots of these people love pets. For some reason. Lillian, you love fish. Hey, Lillian, my name's Laguna. Hey, Lillian, you're so sweet. You want to go for a walk? I think she said yeah. Okay. Yeah. Go get the leash. So cute. Want to go for one? Huh? Do you? Need to go get the leash. I can't find a leash. My friend is cute, puppy. Hello. I'll name you Vomit. Hey, Vomit and Lillian. Vomit and Lillian. This font is so cute. I love your green, Vomit. Got two dogs and Vomit and Lillian. Vomit and Lillian. Vomit and Lillian. Vomit and Lillian. Aww. Let's go take you guys for walks. I couldn't find the leash, so I'm sorry, guys. Oh well. Yeah. Need to grab my Vomit. Grab Vomit. Need to have Vomit in my hand and mine. Oh wow. Let's go for a walk. No. Can you tell me where you saw them leave first? Exactly, yes! I found it. You're so pretty. Now one bird is down here. These two pets are so pretty. I need to call my number. I remembered I threw my phone. Alright. You guys be safe. Live call 911. Okay. Beep boop bye, beep beep boop bye. Hello? Two of my pets went. Yeah, two of my pets actually ran off once. It was scary. Yeah, I'm not really sure if this is an emergency to call 911. So, bye. Now let's get going. Come on, Vomit and Lillian. Where did he go? I should keep them in a cage. But I'm so freaking busy. Oh, I look good. Pretty good. Look through the portal. Wow, I didn't know that was strong. That portal's really, really bad. My head. I should have gone down there. It didn't take me down to I thought it did. Someone sneezed. Oh wow. Oh jeez, my head. Oh no, wait a minute. My two puppies. Oh, Vomit and Lillian. I need to find them. I can't find them anywhere. Vomit Lillian. Vomit Lillian, you're back! Woo! Vomit in the tent with Lillian. Woo-doo-doo! Oh my gosh. Vomit. So sad that you vomited everywhere. And you, beautiful one, are so pretty like a little one in the town. Whee! Okay, Vomit Lillian, stay right there. Okay, I'm back. Vomit